Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear cache on your iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, clear your Safari cache. Open the Settings app and then look or search for Safari. Then scroll to the bottom, tap Advanced, and then Website Data. You can either remove individual website data by selecting each one individually and pressing the minus button, or tap Remove All Website Data to clear Safari's cached files and free up storage. To clear the cache of large apps, return to Settings app homepage, select General, iPhone Storage, and select an app that uses a lot of space. Once selected, tap Offload App, then reinstall it immediately. This removes cache data while keeping your documents and settings intact. Repeat this for other large apps if necessary. Finally, perform a force restart by pressing Volume Up, Volume Down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. This helps clear temporary system cache and can improve performance. So that's basically how you can clear cache on your iPhone. That's it for this video, thanks.